In this demo on Azure AI Language Services, we'll explore how we can use Language Studio to create and train a knowledge base of questions and answers. Azure AI Language includes questions answering capabilities, allowing to build a system that understands and responds to users' inquiries efficiently. By the end of this demo, you will see how this AI powered tool enhances customers' interactions and improves automations. So let's get started and see how AI driven language processing can transform the way we handle information. In order to use question answerings, we need to use a language resource. And in order to create that, we need to navigate to the Azure portal. And from there, we're going to click on create a resource and let's search for language service. There you go. And from here, we're going to click on create. Gonna select continue to create a resource. Gonna select the subscription here. And then the resource group, region. Gonna give it a name. Pricing tier, let's select the free and check the box. Now let's click on next. All networks included, that's all good. Next here, system assigned managed identity. This is basically we allow Azure to manage the identity for us. If we want to use a user assigned, if we have one created, we can add it from here. And no tags, review and create. Now it's running the final validation. All right, I'm gonna click on create. It's starting the deployment right now. All right, deployment is in progress. This might take a few minutes to complete. Now the deployment is complete. Let's open up a new tab and navigate to language.azure.com. And once it loads, we're gonna click on create a new project. We're gonna select custom question answering. And from here, we're gonna select I want to select the language when I create the project in this resource and click next. Here, we already have the language resource, Azure Search resource as well selected. If you want to change that, you can change it from here. On the name, we're gonna give it name Marge Travel. On description, a simple knowledge base. And we're gonna select English here. No answer found is fine. And let's create a project. And from here, we're gonna add a resource. We're gonna add a URL. We're gonna add URL here. Let's call it Marge KBs. And I have the URL already in here. So I'm just gonna copy it and paste it and leave the auto detect and add all. It's gonna take a second. Now that we finished to add a resource, let's go to edit knowledge base. You see here, there are a list of questions and here are the answers, like what services do you provide? Margie's Travel can help arrange flights, accommodations, airport transfer, all of that stuff. There's a test here that I added a second ago. There's answers here. You can actually edit the answer, add this to it. All good. And we can save from here. Now, to deploy the knowledge base, you'll have to come here and click on deploy. It's going to ask you if you want to deploy, confirm, changes are saved, and then it's going to deploy it. This might take a few minutes to complete. And there you go. Skip all. Next step is create a bot, which you might have to do in the next lessons, but this is it for this demo.